Hello, in this video we have to simplify a product of two roots and whole numbers. We have 10 of cube root of 16 times 5 of cube root of 2. So we have numbers that are outside of the coefficient, which is 10 times a cube root and 5 times a cube root. I am going to rearrange this multiplication so that numbers and radicals are next to each other and have 10 times 5. These are our whole numbers outside of the roots. Then I'm going to multiply them by the radicals. We have cube root of 16 times cube root of 2. This will give us 10 times 5 is 50. And now I can combine under the same radical whatever's inside of the roots. So we have cube root of 16 times 2. This gives us 50 times cube root of 16 times 2 is 32. On this step we need to check if we can simplify cube root of 32. Let's begin by factoring 32. 32 is 2 times 16. 2 is a prime, 16 is 4 times 4, and we can break down each 4 into 2 times 2. So 32 can be rewritten as 5 factors of 2 or 2 to the 5. We need to separate the exponent so it would cancel out with the third power. So let's rewrite 2 to the 5 as 2 to the third times 2 to the second. This will give us 2 to the 5 back, and it will give us a perfect cube to work with our cube root. So let's go back to our original expression. We have 50 times, let's separate the cube root. We have cube root times cube root. The perfect cube 2 to the third goes into the left radical, so we have 2 to the third, and whatever is left over goes into the right radical, so we have 2 to the second on the right. So we get 50 times cube root of 2 to the third times cube root of 2 to the second. Cube root of 2 to the third, cube and cube root will cancel, and this will give us just 2. So let's keep everything else as is. We have 50 times 2 times cube root of 2 to the second. So we get 50 times 2 is 100. Cube root of 2 to the second is 4. So 100 cube root of 4 is our solution. That's all.